The first Christmas, the devil tried to stop it. Today, in our days, we cannot comprehend how a king can give the order that every single male child be killed in an area from the year 2 years downward, because the devil wants to stop this child from being born. Actually, let me tell you something you need to understand. What I'm saying is this. Please listen to me. What I'm saying is this. The devil takes Christmas much more serious than what many of us do. Christmas has been commercialized, and that culture and tradition has been imported into the celebration. And I tell people, actually, that is the more reason why we need to recover the true Christmas. Because the devil knows there's something powerful about reflecting on the day that God became a man, that he has brought in a lot of distraction.